The vapor pressure of pure liquids A and B are 450 and 700 millimeter of mercury respectively. Means vapor pressure of pure A is 450 millimeter of mercury and vapor pressure of pure B is equal to 700 millimeter of mercury. Now as can be seen from the values, PA vapor pressure of pure A is less than vapor pressure of pure B at 350 Kelvin. Find out the composition of the liquid mixture if total vapor pressure is 600 millimeter of mercury. Total vapor pressure is given as 600 millimeter of mercury. Now we have to find out the composition of the liquid mixture. Means what is the mole fraction of A and B present in the liquid mixture. Also find the composition of the vapor phase. Means what is the mole fraction of A and B present in the vapor phase. Now applying the formula, total vapor pressure is equal to vapor pressure of A, the one with lower value of vapor pressure, plus vapor pressure of B minus vapor pressure of A multiplied by mole fraction of B. Now this equation is already derived in previous topics. Putting the value, total vapor pressure is 600 millimeter of mercury, vapor pressure of pure A is 450 plus B is 700 minus 450 multiplied by mole fraction of B, and this is equal to 450 plus 250 multiplied by mole fraction of B. Solving, mole fraction of B is equal to 3 by 5, which is equal to 0.6, and mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to 1. From this, mole fraction of A is equal to 1 minus 0.6 and this is equal to 0.4. So this is the mole fraction of B in liquid mixture and this is equal to 0.6, and 0.4 is the mole fraction of A in the liquid mixture. Now to find the composition of the vapor phase. Now partial pressure of A in vapor phase is equal to pressure of pure A, that is 450 multiplied by mole fraction of A, which is equal to 0.4. So this is equal to 180 millimeter of mercury, and partial pressure of B is equal to pressure of pure B multiplied by mole fraction of B, which is equal to 0.6, and this is equal to 420 millimeter of mercury. Now total pressure will be equal to 180 plus 420, which is equal to 600. So mole fraction of A in the vapor phase is equal to partial pressure of A, that is 180, divided by total pressure, which is equal to 600. So this is equal to 0.3, and mole fraction of B in vapor phase is equal to partial pressure of B, that is 420, divided by total pressure, that is 600, and this is equal to 0.7. So the composition in vapor phase is A is 0.3 and B is 0.7. Mole fraction of A is 0.3, mole fraction of B is 0.7. Now to find the partial pressure of A, we have multiplied the pressure of pure A with its mole fraction in the mixture, liquid mixture, and to find the partial pressure of B, we have multiplied the pressure of pure B with mole fraction of B in the mixture.